value creation is about enabling actors to innovate on top of the existing value in response to their own needs. As an open public platform that encourages interactions and collaboration, open value creation comes naturally to our construct of Shiksha Lokam. I'll illustrate this with two examples. First, reusability of assets and solutions is a key facet that we have been able to demonstrate in our ecosystem, and that has helped us open value creation. By design, when our partners create a learning resource or an observation form, or even an improvement project on the platform, it becomes openly available for others to use as is, or contextualize and innovate on top of that. For instance, during the early days of COVID, when countrywide schools were closed, Vidya Viday, our Chennai-based partner, created a collection of resources for education leaders to learn digital tools. Now, the same set of resources were reused by our partners across different states. Similarly, tools to assess the challenges faced by parents and communities were created using Shiksha Lokam's assessment capability by our Bangalore-based partner Mantra for Change. Now, this tool, post a simple translation and minor changes, is currently being used in the states of Punjab and Bihar. Now, the second key aspect is data. Shiksha Lokam offers a capability to generate on-demand dashboards based on one's program data. Also, the data is made available as meaningful charts right in the hands of stakeholders. As a school principal, when I complete 20 or 25 observations of my classrooms, I can take a look at the data on my mobile app and understand the broad needs of my teachers, and thus plan a detailed training or maybe a small learning circle. Now, insights from the same set of data points in an aggregated form is made visible to the state level education leadership so that they can design their policies and capacity building programs keeping the real needs from ground in mind and in real time. For example, since COVID forced school closure, State of Punjab started Learn at Home program called Ghar Baithe Sikhya for children. Now, there were digital learning resources being shared with students, educational programs started on radio and TV. Now, data from over 500,000 parent interviews facilitated through Shiksha Lokam during a 3-day statewide virtual parent-teachers meetings led to the creation of a state-level task force, Digital Sikhya team, and Sikhya Sahayak team to bring coherence in these various dissemination channels. Now, this is now helping our children learn better. The most important point about open value creation is that it requires proactive evangelization. Just because a resource is out there in open doesn't mean that other actors will use it. At Shiksha Lokam, our programs team put conscious efforts to connect partners with each other when they have similar programs and create spaces like Collaborathon or Virtual Partners Meet where organizations and stakeholders can collaborate. We actively play an orchestrated role, and it's an important part of our mission.